Hello friends, in this video we will guide you on how to add or remove Microsoft XPS Document Writer on Windows 10, or you can also say install or uninstall XPS Document Writer on Windows 10. By default, this printer is enabled and installed on your PC. If you don't use this printer, then you can uninstall it easily. For that, you need to click on the start button and then here type turn Windows features on or off and click on its entry in the search. This will open Windows features dialog. Here scroll down and you can see by default Microsoft XPS Document Writer is enabled. In order to remove it, just uncheck it and click on the OK button. This will uninstall XPS Document Writer completely from your Windows 10 machine. And if someone want to install it and use it on Windows 10, then click on a start button and follow the same procedure. You need to search turn Windows features on or off and then click on its entry to open Windows features dialog. Here scroll down and check this option Microsoft XPS Document Writer and click OK. It will automatically install XPS Document Writer on your PC that you can use to print a document such as I just open Google. I want to print suppose google.com websites, so you need to press Ctrl plus P on the keyboard and here you can see Microsoft. Here after clicking on this you can see Microsoft XPS Document Writer and clicking print. It will start printing but in XPS format. It will save your document in XPS format. You can see here XPS and other one is OXPS. You can save any document from your PC in XPS or OXPS format using Microsoft XPS Document Writer printer. Thank you. If you have not subscribed to our channel GearUpWindows, do hurry up. A lot of beautiful videos are awaiting for you. Thank you. Bye bye. See you in the next video.